previous assignment, you were introduced to perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. For example, if you were putting a fence around your yard, you're going to find perimeter of any shape by adding up all the sides. In a quadrilateral, that means you add the 4 sides. For area, we have a different formula based on the type of shape. For the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length times the width. It doesn't matter which one you call the length and which one you call the width. You're just going to use each of them once. So I could put the length as 5 and the width as 2. So that means to find the area, I would take 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Remember our units. In the last assignment, we talked about area being squares. That means that in this case, we have square miles. Using the same shape, let's find the perimeter. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are the same. So that means since I know the bottom is 5 miles, the top is also 5 miles. We are given that the right side is 2 miles. That means the left side is 2 miles. Now for perimeter, we add up all of the sides. 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. So again, if you want, you can use your calculator, or you could remember some of our tips. In this case, a lot of people use doubles. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Perimeter is just regular units. So that means my perimeter is 14 miles. As I said before, a square is a special kind of rectangle. It's a rectangle where all the sides are the same. We can use the same area formula. Our area is length times width. You'll notice we don't have all the sides marked, so it's hard to know length times width. Well, it's a square, so all of them are the same. So I can go ahead and label each side as 6 inches. Now that I have all the sides marked, I can figure out the area as length times width, or for a square, I could say side times side, since they're both the same. So my area is going to be 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. My units are square inches. Now let's find the perimeter of the same square. Again, remember that all the sides are the same, so you can label them all as 6. So all the sides are the same, so my perimeter is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Adding those up, either in your head or on your calculator, gives you a perimeter of 24 inches.